In the eyes of each resident in Tacloban, the Eagle News team felt the pain they were going through. Young and old, both males and females, were weeping at the extreme loss of life and property. Everything they had built was swept away by the typhoon's raging floodwaters.
Nandyan ako sa taas yung pagbagyo. Akala ko patay na ako.
Kayo na po ang bahalang mano sa amin tumulong. Kasi wala po kami magagawa kung hindi po kayo. Kawawang-kawawa kaming kalagayan namin dito. Pagkain walang-wala talaga. Sana di po namin malaman ang gagawin namin.
Now, normally in such circumstances, people blame nature or the authorities, but this time around, love could be seen. There were no rich nor poor or different religious beliefs. What's important is helping those who need it the most. In one worship building of the Iglesia ni Cristo, some residents of Tacloban sought refuge during the height of Yolanda's storm surge.
Kaya akala namin hindi lalaki yung tubig. Mabuti na lang may kapilya dyan, kung wala, disgrasya talaga kami lahat. Yan ang nakasurvive sa amin. Kasi gabi pa yan sila nagsabi nga, pumasok dyan. Yung mga tao hindi kuhan muna nga pumunta dyan kasi yung mga baybay binabantayan. Yung paglakas na ng once ng umaga, doon na naglikasan, malaki na yung tubig. Lahat dito nga, mga residente dito, umakyat dyan. Yung tubig hanggang dito na.
Binuksan naman kami ng kasamahan ninyo. Thank you, madaming salamat na ligtas kami. Nakakahiyak ako lang naligtas kami. Madami ng salamat sa inyong iglesia.